a geography question. Examine the evidence supporting the seafloor spreading theory. What factors impact the rate of seafloor spreading? Okay, so this is a very straightforward question. It's relatively easier. It's a direct question. So although if I was writing, like when I was writing the exam, I wouldn't have revised seafloor spreading as such just before the mains. So we'll try to brainstorm how quickly, like whatever is the minimum that we should be trying to do. Like it is not realistically possible to revise everything just before the prelims and mains. So at the moment when you are writing the exam, it's important to write what is possible, like the best possible answer at that moment. The most plausible answer is more important than the best answer that can be written, because it's not realistically possible to write everything in the best possible way because there's a lot of syllabus to cover. So an introduction could be like how you can connect it with the plate tectonics theory, like how seafloor spreading or the idea or the conceptual this thing behind seafloor spreading contributed to plate tectonics theory, or how it is central to plate tectonics theory, or how Harry Hess came up with the seafloor spreading theory and how then that contributed to the whole idea about our plate tectonics. So you can talk about it in that terms. So that can be a decent introduction, and then a good conclusion. So I'm talking it in like quickly. Introduction, Harry Hess. Introduction, connecting it to plate tectonics. What is a good conclusion? Good conclusion could be what is the relevance, like how the idea or the understanding of seafloor spreading and consequently and thereby plate tectonics can help us in understanding the distribution and the development of volcanoes, earthquakes and other geographical events better, so that we can reduce the disasters, we can better understand, we can better prepare for climate change in general as well. So conclusion can be present relevance, connecting it to climate change, connecting it to the different disasters that are happening at present. And body is two parts are asked. What is the evidence supporting plate tectonics theory, and the second part is what factors impact the seafloor spreading. Just two parts. 5 points for evidence, 5 points for factors contributing to seafloor spreading. So what are the evidence? One could be the geographical evidence, like seafloor spreading in the Atlantic Middle Ocean ridge. So the age of the rocks, age of the crust on both parts of the ridge increases when you go away from the ridge. So that shows that proves the idea of seafloor spreading, that the older, the ones that are diverging away, that is more newer, like older, the new ones coming from here and the older ones going further. So the whole idea of the age of the crust as it increases going further away from the ridges, middle oceanic, that can be seen in the Atlantic, for example, can be an evidence for the whole idea of seafloor spreading. Secondly, it could also be direct observation as to seafloor spreading. Like there are certain scientific observations being made right now which are proving that seafloor spreading is actually happening, as to there is destruction of crust at the convergent boundaries and creation of crust at the divergent boundaries because of the movement of the magma and all that, because of the movement of convection currents in the mantle and all that. Thirdly, the idea that the distribution of earthquakes and volcanoes. So one point could be distribution of earthquakes, how they prove that there is the existence of seafloor spreading, and where are the major areas, like what are the Pacific Ring of Fire. Like you can take 1 point separately for earthquake distribution proving seafloor spreading, 1 point separately proving volcano distribution proving seafloor spreading. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have the alternative magnetic stripes on the seafloor, Atlantic floor, or the seafloor ridges and the seafloor. That can also prove in a way that the seafloor, or the concept of seafloor spreading is also true, and somewhere that in a way proves the whole conceptual base of plate tectonics as well. And the next part of the question is, what are the factors? What are the factors influencing seafloor spreading and thereby plate tectonics as well? So one is the plate tectonics, plate movements. Like why, again you can just put, so it's a 10 marker, so you just have to briefly talk about all these. You can talk about you can talk about the plate movements. You can talk, so that is one, like how the plates are moving. Secondly, you can talk about the mantle currents or the mantle convection movements, how that is another contributing factor to the seafloor spreading idea and thereby to plate tectonics theory. So that's another point. Thirdly, you can talk about the mountain building process, the orogenic processes, how they contribute to the seafloor spreading, how they contribute to seafloor spreading, mantle crust destruction, crust creation, all of that. So that's third one. Fourthly, sea level changes. See how sea level changes also factor in the process of seafloor spreading. And fifthly, you can even talk about how the general events like climate change and how the general atmosphere and the other atmospheric and oceanographic changes, coupled changes, are also affecting seafloor spreading and other geographical events. So in general, talking about 5 events, 5 factors, 5 evidences. We spoke about the introduction as to who Harry Hess and why that is important, and you are ending it with connecting it with the climate change, or why is it relevant, why is it central, fundamental to understanding various disasters, events related to climate change, fueled by climate change, and all of that. So in this way, you can talk about, you can address the question, you can address the factors, you can address the evidences, and talk about relevance and connect it, end it well.
Hi, a very good evening to all of you. I hope prelims 2024 आप लोगों का सही से हुआ होगा. Now is the time when you should prepare for mains wholeheartedly. And to help you in assisting in this endeavor, we are coming up with a very important program known as Civil Services Accelerator Program. देखो मेंस में आपको हर कोई बोलेगा कि 450 नंबर जीएस 1 2 3 4 में आने चाहिए, एसए में 120 130 आने चाहिए, बट हाउ टू अचीव इट, वो करना कैसे है, कौन कौन से वो पिलर्स है जिन पे हम फोकस करने वाले हैं. तो पिलर्स देखो बहुत बेसिक है. फर्स्ट वी गोइंग टू इंश्योर दैट जो भी हम यहाँ करंट अफेयर की क्लासेस लेंगे दे गोइंग टू बी लिंक्ड विद द स्टैटिक पार्ट, सो दैट यू कैन गेट अ वेरी गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग, चाहे यूपीएससी फिर बाद में स्टैटिक पोर्शन से पूछे या फिर करंट से, आपका अच्छे से कवर हो जाएगा. सेकंड इज अबाउट एथिक्स, कि आप एथिक्स अच्छे से कवर करिए, बोथ पोर्शन section A as well as the case studies, and if you do it properly you will get very good marks. Then philosophical essays, सबसे कम मार्क्स आजकल एस्से में आने लग गए स्टूडेंट्स के, 80 90 100 तक मैक्सिमम लोग स्टॉप हो जाते हैं. तो हाउ टू इंश्योर दैट कि वो मार्क्स हमारे 130 तक पहुंचे, उसके लिए हम एस्से पर फोकस करेंगे. एंड देन यू गोइंग टू हैव अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टेस्ट सीरीज व्हिच इज गोइंग टू इंश्योर कि यार अच्छे से आप प्रैक्टिस कर पाओ और इवेलुएट कर पाओ अपने आप को. एंड दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज व्हिच वी गोइंग टू फोकस अपॉन. इनफैक्ट दीज आर द पिलर्स ऑफ mains preparation. For current affairs, a team of faculties including me, we are going to assisting you in each and everything. We'll have Rajvardhan sir, we'll have Neha ma'am, me alongside some other faculties will also be part of this. We'll focus on 3 areas. Okay, जो टॉपिक बहुत स्टैटिक लगते हैं लेकिन वहां से करंट का क्वेश्चन हर बार आता है, जैसे लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नेंस, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को हम पहले से ही संभाल के रखेंगे. सोसाइटी के बहुत सारे टॉपिक हैं ऐसे जहां से बार बार क्वेश्चन आता है, लगता नहीं है कि आएगा बट आ जाता है. ट्रेंड स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन, फाइनेंस कमीशन, क्लाइमेट चेंज, ऐसे ऐसे जितनी भी थीम है वो इसमें आएंगे. एंड थर्ड, ईयर स्पेसिफिक. ईयर स्पेसिफिक मींस दैट इस साल जैसे मान लो साइंस एंड टेक में कुछ अच्छे डेवलपमेंट्स हैं तो यूपीएससी वहीं से पूछ लेता डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन. सो दोस काइंड्स ऑफ करंट अफेयर विल आल्सो बी कवर्ड. सो दैट्स व्हाई इफ यू वांट टू बिकम पार्ट ऑफ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कोर्स, दिस इज द कोर्स फॉर यू. कि सारी आपकी करंट अफेयर की चिंता फिनिश. With respect to ethics, we have one of the most stalwart person, Atul sir. Atul sir has been teaching for more than 13 years ethics. है ना, जब से शुरू हुआ है 2013 से पेपर, तब से सर पढ़ा रहे हैं. And if you want to get his mentorship, then eventually जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स आती है एथिक्स में वो सारी सॉल्व आउट हो जाएंगे, चाहे वो आपकी बेसिक कंसेप्ट है, कंटेम्प्रेरी एग्जांपल्स हैं. इफ यू नॉट एबल टू इंक्लूड द थिंकर्स इन द आंसर, वो भी सॉल्व हो जाएगा. Along with the answer writing is going to become very very refined. In fact, he has already taken an orientation session. You can just watch it on our YouTube channel and you will get very good outcome for that. एथिक्स में जो होंगे लगभग 20 घंटे के आसपास क्लासेस होंगी, आपको पीवाईक्यूज वगैरह के लिए हेल्प की जाएगा, हैंडआउट्स दिए जाएंगे, अच्छे एग्जांपल जाएंगे, एंड प्लस मोर इंपॉर्टेंटली 1-to-1 मेंटरशिप इज गोइंग टू बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. सो एथिक्स इज वन एरिया वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन कम्स द एसे. In the essay, we are going to focus upon philosophical areas. तो पहले वहां पे आपको टीच भी करेंगे, me along with Manikant sir as well as Kapil Sikka sir. We are going to be part of this so that those of you who can eventually get the best out of yourself, आपको कोई भी रुकावट नहीं आनी चाहिए. So focus किस चीज पे रहेगा? Coverage of all the important themes which are there in the PYQs. और सबसे ज्यादा फोकस फिलोसफी पे ही करेंगे. Then handouts दिए जाएंगे, आपको एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टीज के साथ 1-to-1 मेंटरशिप भी कराई जाएगी. And as a result of this, you can score very high in the essay. लगभग 25 से 30 घंटे की क्लासेस होंगी, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव हैंडआउट, कंपाइलेशन, वर्कशीट, 1-to-1 मेंटरशिप, सारी चीजें आपको अच्छे से दी जाएंगी. एंड इफ यू आर एबल टू अचीव इट, मेक श्योर दैट कि आप तरीके से उसको यूटिलाइज करें एंड फाइनली आउटकम लेके आए मेंस के अंदर. एंड फाइनली व्हेन इट कम्स टू टेस्ट सीरीज, ऑल द फैकल्टीज आर गोइंग टू बी टुगेदर टू इंश्योर दैट जो भी आपका एरिया होगा उसमें आपको अच्छे लेवल का हम आउटपुट दे पाए, आपको अच्छी मेंटरशिप प्रोवाइड कर पाए, चाहे वो जीएस 1, 2, 3, 4 या फिर एसए पेपर हो. So that's why you're going to have a test series also along with this. And in this test series, we have to make sure questions quality, model answers, the discussion sessions, all of them they are top notch, so that इस साल जो मेंस है आपके लिए एक eventually game changer बन जाए and we are able to become a part of your success journey. This is the objective with which we are starting this program, and this program is going to be very very useful for all those students who are eventually becoming part of the mains for this year. अभी prelims का result आने वाला है, so let us hope majority of you have worked very hard, आपका final call आ ही जाए. Many sessions are going to happen. Some have happened, like ethics का session has already been taken by Atul sir and June 25 was taken. essay का जो है 2 जुलाई को होगा. Answer writing template का जो session है, it will be taken by the rank 4 of this year. It's going to focus specifically on paper 2, paper 3. Current affair की classes 28 जून को first होगी, it will be dealing with IR. इसकी सेकंड क्लास होगी वो नेक्स्ट वीक ऑन द जुलाई ऑफ 4th होगा. सो व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम योर साइड, आप इन सेशंस का पार्ट बनिए. दीज सेशंस आर ओपन इन नेचर. ट्राई टू गेट योर डाउट्स रिजॉल्व्ड एंड वंस यू फील लाइक नहीं ट्रस्ट आ रहा है, कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है इस इंस्टीट्यूट पे, देन बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ द program, and once you become part of this program, we'll take care everything from your side. Okay, so all the very best. If you have any query, any doubt, you can reach out to these numbers. These numbers, if you dial, you'll get the link to our counselors and they will help you out in understanding. if कोई डिटेल में आपको लगता है कोई इश्यूज लग रहा हो कि भाई ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आया अच्छे से, they will help you out with respect to that also. And for all the important kind of videos, you can stick to our YouTube channel and we're going to help you out in the whole UPSC civil services preparation. All right, all the very best. Thank you so much.